Good morning.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. I not read the message where you send me. Now just small like talk. So whether if you use your mouth, give us in 5 minutes. Waiting be the issue where you dey go through. Where you go like make we help you handle.
Okay. Actually, as I didn't inside public bus now, I'm going to my parents' house.
Okay.
So I'll just brief you. But the whole thing is detailed on the message I sent you.
Okay.
I've been married for 11 years.
Yes.
So it has been happening even before I get married. You understand? So it happened that my husband just found a new faith.
He has what?
He found a new faith.
New faith.
Yes.
And which one be new faith? I don't
Not
understand.
tradition, not as in tradition aspect.
Oh, he don't become traditional person.
Yes, yes. So they now reveal so many things to him concerning me
Okay.
that I've been doing a lot of atrocities. Although sometimes when I'm doing all of those things, it's not with my clear eyes.
But wait, you say that they reveal to Ram. Now be say this help where they look for. Now because of say they reveal to Ram, because if they not reveal to Ram, you for keep quiet. I be for still. I don't understand.
Yes, it's not a clear eye something. You
Okay.
understand?
Okay.
Because there is a root. There is
Now,
a spirit behind it.
now this message you send me because I know say you not fit talk where you did. Now you
Yes.
say you don't say you did because from the message you say for 11 years where you did with your husband. Say you did cheat on your husband.
Yes,
Now the cheat on your husband. Now spiritual. I've been a physical. I've been a both spiritual and physical
both
cheating.
spiritual and physical and spiritual.
Now say your husband no they satisfy you will make you.
Even he saw it himself. He saw everything when we are lying. He saw it, saw the people, everything. But he waved it thinking that it be spiritual, maybe spirit, water, all of that. But it was real.
Oh him wait now wait he,
Now he saw it. Not that he just found the faith, the new faith. He saw it clear right now. So now I've opened up everything, and what he said will be the way forward now. We have to go for cleansing, and just cleansing now, it will not contribute a dime. It will be
And-
for my own expenditure, from my own side. Then
and now
we'll
you go
forge
pay
ahead
for the
from-
whole cleansing.
Exactly.
What I want you what I want you understand. What I want you understand for this whole thing. What I want you understand for this whole thing now say for this whole period where you they do this cheating now.
Yes.
And now with one person I've been with different people.
Different, not one, not two, and not even for the money. I'm not getting anything tangible, just maybe for the pleasure or for the fun or whatever. I don't know. Not for the money.
And you never
That's
talk
just the thing that baffles me.
and you never talk to anybody about him. You just they do and they go.
Nothing, just within me.
And him not suspect you one day, say he not catch you one day for the 11 years, say you they cheat on him, they sleep with other people.
Never.
Where you from? Where him from?
We're from the same state,
Where be that?
Anambra.
Anambra State. Now you una get children, Abi?
Yes, one son.
One
6
son.
years old.
And now him get the son, Abi another person get the
Yes,
son.
he's the one. He's the even confirmed that one. That one is the one. Is his son.
Okay. Now
He confirmed it.
okay, una go do DNA for him confirm that one.
It was revealed to him spiritual. It is his father that
Wait,
they
and
came
how
back.
this reveal? I don't understand. Na spirit in a native doctor picking.
No, not Potalowa. Ibu is a dibia. Not if Potalowa. No, it has a fortune in me fortune.
Okay, he supposed to be native doctor person, but now he just realize in one face in calling now.
Yes. Obrokwa no kenjo as in only follow for justice.
Okay.
Ima when them John when them ma.
Then get good one and get bad one. Okay,
But
him one
he
they do
doing
it.
Yes.
Okay, him one they do good juju, not be bad juju.
Yes.
So now for him to continue in juju, then say make you go do cleansing. Now this cleansing, now for him to continue in juju, I been now for una do day together.
For I know why they cut one no.
And you sure say one I do this now this cheating way they cheat. You sure say not be because of say your idea outside you want follow other men. I been because of saying a spiritual thing.
Is it a cleansing?
The sleeping way, the cheating way, they cheat for the past 11 years. Now, because of say your idea outside and he not dey okay for you, I been now because of saying a spiritual thing, say you not be you they do, I'm not be your clear eye.
According to me, say it's 50-50.
According to you, I be according to him. Now you are the ask
Yes.
now you go tell me. Now say now.
Ndị mmụọ sokwa na-enye m so in terms of ndị na-eme tigazi n'ụlọ na-edine ma nwoke ma nwaanyị.
Oh, wait, make I even ask you. So, this is cheating, not be only men, now with women too.
And nke na nke nlọ ọ bụrụ n'ihe mana nke ihe bụ for men.
Okay, the dream on now for men. The physical one now you dey sleep with men, but for dream on you dey sleep with women and men. So what do you want now? What do you want to make we do for you now?
At the moment now, I'm going to my parents' house. They said I should go for now. Meet with my mother particular.
Okay.
No way if nyawa me kwa. No way if nyawa me transfer to me. So mona ekucha go there. You all know kuteji. Then I will now tell him. I'm not sure. Actually, cover up. No guys who can do can make confession. No brace and I get melody menana.
I don't go through all her pictures for Instagram. Okay. I see her. I see the one picking where they get, one son where they get. I see the man picture. Self. So she talks say the guy now he won't become native doctor now like a juju person, but he own a good native doctor. I don't know say good one day, bad one day. But say for him to continue. He no one leave the woman because the son where they get their papa, the man papa don't die. So now the in believing that the papa, the son, now him being papa.
Welcome back.
He welcome back like Batunde. So he not one leave the woman. Say, but for him to continue staying with the woman, for him to doing juju work, the woman guys go cleansing of all the things where in she don't do. Now, but the woman don't not contact say. Wetin dem tell her now say make him not use him own money give her to do am, make she use her own money to do the deliverance herself. Now I come dey ask her, madam, so wetin you want to make we do for you for backyard now? He say make dem give am money make you go do deliverance. Now we follow you do the things for 11 years.
Members now. She get family members.
She get family members. Your mother make your mother give you now. Or those your boyfriends.
For 11 years.
For 11 years. You see this person called send message. She's not remorseful. She's not.
At all.
She's not ready to stop. The truth is, the truth be say, one, the woman not get shame. Two, she not dey remorseful. He not dey see am as saying a bad thing where he don't do. And he not ready to stop.
I got to know. If they get there, I have asked her one question. And the question I say, for all these 11 years, whether she don't try to find help.
You see, that's not one thing. What if for these 11 years where she dey do what thing she dey do, where she dey do this thing, it never come to her mind? Because check am. The spiritual and they control physical. He not get what you want to do about them. Now waiting just dey there be that. Spiritual and they control physical. The truth is, this place where she dey go now, where the husband say may she go, now the place where she go get her help with that. Her mother, her family house, may she go her family house now. That place now she go get help. This place where she dey go now, the best place where she go where she go get the help where she need. Because not be even us. Go fit say nobody go fit give her money where she need. Now her family go fit give her the money where she need.
Hello, sir.
So quickly, we don't. You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
We don't they discuss your matter, they talk your matter, we even laugh put on top. But make I tell you what thing go happen. You dey hear me?
Yes.
You see this your family where you dey go. You mention something. You say your husband tell you say make you meet your mother. See your mother go tell you something.
Yes.
Man not like give you. We not go feel raise money on top this show for you. That is the whole
Not even
thing.
the money itself. I have some money. My fear now is, will it be enough to carry it?
Listen, now still part of them. Now still the same thing.
Okay.
Now still money. Carry waka, go meet your family. Because we're not going to raise money for this show for you to do that spiritual cleansing. No.
No problem.
What do you go do be say, carry waka go house. Biko, sit your mama down. May she tell you truth about what you not know. Because I not go lie give you. Obviously, you don't know what thing they happen. You not know.
Yes, you're right, sir.
You not know what thing they happen. So, and I not go blame you, not be your fault. And at the same time, na your fault. Because you keep quiet for him to don't reach this level. And it be as they go this level, you reach point where you go reach, you say, okay, oh, this thing, it not dey normal. Make I do this in about am, make I do about am, it go dey different. But as you don't, they say that one person wake up 9 be in morning. As you don't start now, carry waka, reach house, meet your mother. If na for you to naked give your mother or cry give your mother, make she tell you truth about everything. Now only your mother now go fit tell you truth wey go save you from this whole thing.
Yes.
You dey hear me?
Yes.
I for fit give you money, but I no fit put my money. I no fit.
Okay.
Now you go fit raise the money wey go fit help you for this country, and all your family gongon wey know the truth behind this thing. Now then go fit give you money to bring you out of this thing where you dey. So that woman wey say she don marry for 11 years and she dey cheat on her husband.
The one where they find spiritual
The
donation.
one where they find spiritual donation now,
remember.
we make all of una donate for am. As I come out, e no tey. Evening of that day, because that day I been go Abuja that evening. That evening of that day, I saw the husband come send me Instagram message. So what gonna do? Ain't hear the message. Say ain't hear the program. If I make I read the message as the man take send them. Wait. He say, I'm the husband of that lady you talked about her marriage matter this morning. The one that was cheating on her husband for 11 years of marriage. And Uber driver, okay, he said, there's more to tell you. There's more to tell you about her story. So, for the man now we want call now. So I beg. The man say, the talk, plenty.
He long.
So make una open on her ear. My oga, you don't do on air now. Yes. So welcome to our backyard. For the first time officially, welcome to our backyard. Now tell us the things where you say matter still plenty. Tell us, will they hear you?
The issue is that my wife
Yes.
has a spiritual. Let me put the phone for you so that I can hold it.
Okay.
The earphone. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, they hear you, but your voice they low.
Okay, they look.
Yes, they low.
So I finally noticed that he's into witchcraft.
Ewo.
He's into witchcraft. So he's using that to manipulate whatever she wants. She will manipulate her way through.
Wow.
But this one is what I know that I was revealed to recently. You understand?
Yes.
So from beginning, sir, I love her.
Okay.
So, and I thought she's somebody because she is so quiet that you can never suspect anything she does in secret. And even I always wait with my friends and my wife doesn't look at men. But she's using that her witchcraft power
To cover everything.
To cover anybody that want to know her moves.
Wow.
You can never know. See, my wife can fuck 5 friends in the same house, and none of them will know that each one touched her.
Are you serious?
Yes. You understand?
Yes.
So she's using that manipulative power to cover anybody that she is dealing with, so that the next person will not know that she has done something like that with the next one.
Wow.
And she was born in a Christian home. So she doesn't even put earrings, she doesn't put makeup, she doesn't put fingers. Whenever you see her, you think she's a born again Christian. So, and this thing has been enduring since. You understand?
Yes.
She has committed abomination. That the abomination she committed, I don't even think that she can scale away, because the way it is in the realm of the spirit, the cloud is too dark. It's only when if the God can clear it, so that she will know where she will start from. Because even that my son, it is that my son that said that she will not die. My son said that she will not die. That's why he cannot kill her. You understand? Because even with the pregnant of my son, she still fuck men.
Not try not to use F word. Just say he sleep with men. Hey, go dey better like that.
Okay, she still sleep with men.
Even when she dey get belle for your boy.
Yes, now that boy say he no go die. He no go die. That's why she didn't survive the atrocities.
Wow.
Because the boy incarnated from my great grandfather.
Yeah.
So he say he no go die, he go come out.
Wow. But how you take find out say she dey do all these things? Because for her to talk am, because for her to talk am na one thing, but how you can't take find out? Because obviously for a long time you feel not know. When you come begin know, say na wetin dey go on be this.
Why I don't know? Because if they use that in witchcraft,
they cover everything, and you go see I'm like one holy sister.
You can never know unless there is a stronger power that reveal it to you.
To you, yes.
I know because I went home. When I went home to do some things in my house in the village.
Yes.
So because I used to dream. Sometimes I will see it in the dream, but I will not believe it. I will see that her waywardness, but they will tell me it's marine kingdom, sometimes all those women in the marine kingdom, their husband. You understand me?
Yes.
So I will take it. You understand me? It's not true. You understand?
Yes.
So when I traveled down to village, and I used to have that dream that sometimes in the dream I will be in my great grandfather's house in the shrine.
Yes.
They will come and be showing me things.
Yes.
When I wake up, I won't understand. Sometimes I will be I will be the one attending to all those masquerades. Telling them what to do in the villages when I'm in a dream here.
Yes.
So when I now finally go back, I say, okay, let me make a step.
Exactly, to become that thing.
I went to the one of the native doctor. He told me that I have backed my God.
Yes.
That I give him back.
Yeah.
That's why he decided to give me back. I face another place. He now face another place. That if I can take a step to redeem myself,
follow your destiny.
God really want to use me to work.
Yes.
I said, okay, let's start now.
Yes.
We now start by preparing the chi. That's
Exactly. Exactly.
After doing that, he tell me that my river of incarnation, I have to go there in my mother's side.
Yes.
I now come back. After doing that one, when I come back, I notice even she gets fear.
Say something don't happen.
Because she will use manipulating force, witchcraft to press me down so that I will not stand.
You not go see, yes.
So when I now come back, she noticed that something
don't
has
change.
changed.
Yes.
So unlucky for her, I still have to travel again to do some things in the village. Then when I get there, I'll now finish most of the important things they say I should do concerning those performance of, making me come closer to my God.
So you say you can't go back to the village for the second time?
I go back to the village for the second time.
Yes.
So as to do some of the remaining things, because they say that I have eaten a lot of forbidden things, which I not supposed to eat.
Yes.
Because even she said she used to even go to a native doctor to prepare things where they give me so that I will be coming down.
Things where you go to put for food for you.
But when I asked her, she was surprised. Many things that the gods revealed to me.
Yes.
Many forbidden things. I won't be saying me, I know if you even talk for the radio here. It was too horrible to the ear to hear.
Wow.
But I made sure that she confirmed it with me. I record it. Because when I come back after going that one, when I now come back, the spirit, the gods now begin to show me exactly who she is. The first day I confronted her, she was surprised. Because what she does in the realm of the spirit is that I would just be like a dead man. Only my body will be existing. So
boy, your spirit don't go.
He will be using me to, he will go out and do all atrocities and come back here to relax. You understand? He just used my name as where he will reside.
Yes, because people like that, they always like get where then go their base, then follow from there. They work out, go, they do other things. Yes, I know.
There are many abominable things she do that I can't even talk in the air. You know.
Yes.
But when I sit her down and ask her. When I started asking her, the first time I call her, I say, all the waka way they waka for secret, God don't open them up. He say, hey, what am I saying? What am I saying? With that look, because there is the look she will give you,
yes.
Even when you are angry.
Yes, you calm down. Yes, I know.
So when he bring that look, I wave. I tell her, so I tell me who and who will be say you they sleep with all this while. She shocked. Because only one man with the warrior since you can't send that money, say me come in place for this social place for December. Say himself even try go, but in there for her period, did not do anything. Nah, sorry. I say you never. And at that time, the gods has hold her. Because they told me that they have hold her on the neck. She's going to confess everything. Make her no worry. Reach in the night, she come tap me, say, get some confessions. I stand up, I say, they talk now. She say, I sleep with some men. I say, which men? Them. He say, don't pee, that guy will marry finish. Don't pee. I say, when you are ready to talk, I will give you a listening ear.
Then you can talk.
So you can talk because I know, say, you get a lot of things to vomit. So the next day in the morning, when they reveal more to me. So when they talk, I will ask them, what about this one?
Yes.
Even my landlord has been doing things with her for since I come into that house.
Hey!
6 years ago, even with pregnancy, my landlord they use her. When I tell them about my landlord, she denied. Green. But when the power come in the night, now she open mouth, they tell me how they take do it. Where then they go do it. I come back and say, for this year, you never give me 1 naira to support for house rent. Even they tell the man, say, okay, make it
exactly, because of say they sleep with the person where they live inside.
Nothing like that. Very wicked. Because she want me dead. That's all. Then she cannot kill me.
Yes.
You want at a certain time, then I will go.
Yes.
When I don't achieve some certain things, then you go. Now relax.
You can't collect those things after you don't go.
Then my son, there is something they do, they give him, so that he no go know me.
Wow. Wow.
They do make a lot talk everything in this because like the one where they tell you to talk, that I go talk. So as for her mother, where she will say she will go see.
Yes.
She know her mother, no man now. 200 they work out for light too.
Wow.
So even as I still they try rescue her, she still they do me conny because the atrocity where she commit too much. You see, make I just say small thing.
Yes.
The same thing when they do me now and mama doing papa.
Jesus.
You hear me?
I did hear you one more.
The same thing when mama and do me now and mama doing papa.
Jesus.
Even mama own be say, in fact, I cannot talk because she's too disgusting.
What?
That's why I tell her, say, when you reach, ask her.
Ask your mother. Now the same thing when I talk on air. I say,
but her mama never tell her the truth. See the brainwash her.
oh, the mama never even tell them things where they.
In the tell her saying that one woman wake up when she born, and that woman carry her. Do her like this, do her like this. It's like saying that the woman put her for the tail.
Meanwhile, now the mother na put them. Now the mother they do what then they do.
Because the mother don't they do her before she born her.
Jesus. Now, because if you want question why I ask her, say, for this 11 years where you did cheat on your husband, the men where you did sleep with, he say, for real life, for physical, he did sleep with men, for spiritual, he did sleep with men and women. I say, okay, for the physical men where you did sleep with, now one man, I've been a different man, he's in a different men. I can't wonder for 11 years how many amount of men you could not sleep with. And not be something where they do maybe once in a week. It could be everyday thing.
I say for belly they do her.
Chineke me. Anyway, continue to hear you.
So the issue is that she no one change you, if not that the gods hold her for neck. They hold her for neck and you see her. I never touch her since we were married, but that night I give her small. Until say she go die. You understand? Because me, I know the big woman, I know the even rise on my time. So, but so the final thing is that she know who she be. She know who her mama be. You understand?
Yes.
Every other thing is pretense. The only thing is that she was surprised that I can be who I would. Although she know in the rain that I am a great person. But
they know they believe say your eye go open, say can't stand your ground.
God bless you. God bless you.
They know they always know, yes.
So you never imagine. I mean, it's just like somebody that is blind. All of a sudden, you see him.
He be like person where then tie keep for ground. The person where time they believe saying happy eye not to go anywhere. Okay. They can't shock say see you don't lose come out. You can't even get the power. They know they believe say they happen.
That is exactly what happened.
I know.
She never loved me in the first place.
I know.
No affection. I'm always the one that is always. It's just that me, I get strong spirit. Sometimes when you want to do, I go tell her say no be like that. So she dey take time. See me, I go even tell her say no be like that. But me, I know they agree. You understand? So you don't like her best. But she don't get any love, no affection. She's just there to complete her mission.
I know.
But the only reason why I say that I will not like say I don't marry finish because of my son.
Yes.
But I don't think we'll have anything to do again. Because I don't want anybody to train my chicken for me.
Obviously.
I want the person who will say a career.
Yes.
Because now I'm going to show my affection.
Yes.
But now the gods will decide in the future because the cloud is too dark.
It's too dark.
And now that is my son. Now even they beg me in the ring, say
make you not do anything.
Say make we unite. Because when I first come back, you get what we go carry together. Because now my son self na great person will be say he will still do great thing. You go carry them together, 1, 2, 3. You put them together, come keep them. As they look am. Because you know what thing will happen. He keep the thread that is me with him
and his mother.
Keep him. So me they tell and say, if any day when you wake up, if you thank God finish, thank this your son because now he will even make there be a consideration in front after abominable things, after clean. It was even the son that will make her to be considered. Based on number one, she did not know what influenced her in the beginning.
Yes.
That is where I'm looking at.
Yes.
But the second is that she is too wicked, even not to consider some certain, like even person, sometimes he will be kind.
He gets more conscience.
Then her own, she contributed 50%. Then what she doesn't know contributed like
50% also.
You understand?
Hi. Nah, okay. Tongwanogam, thank you. Thank you. If any need be, I go still call you back. Oh,
Okay,
God bless
I
you.
even let me tell you what they do.
I did hear you.
On the course of looking for a child, because that thing she's doing does not allow them for she to conceive.
Oh.
I have spent almost no more than 800,000 on hospital, like going from one hospital to other, and she know they bring her 1 naira. All the while where they live with her, and I mean they do everything, even sending money to their people. She never give me 1 naira to support as a family man.
Wow.
Very wicked.
Wow. Wow.
Very wicked. Our own wickedness is reach heavens.
He can't run up and down say he dey find money where you go take go deliver himself.
Him think say he go dey very fast so that she will come back. But she no know say the condition of waiting she go see in the front. He go pass waiting in the sea, because in the sea waiting won't happen.
He dey see him now, make him dey wrong. Go do all this thing. Because
she
make
really make me. I not get anything. Like this why they tell you, my mom is sitting in the village. I dey try gather money, because my mom, she get issue. I still gather money where I go dey send, make them they take care of my mother for village. That village where I come serve now because of my mother, because she's not okay. And this woman never give me 1 naira to support me. Even if toothpaste in the house, now me they buy and me no go buy. If I ask her, me go say they build shop where I open for her for more than 6 years ago. Even she they use her money, they lure people where they say she they sleep
inside the shop. Oh.
She's so wicked that I told her that even when thieves come to people's house,
yes,
there are among them those thieves, if they are like 3.
yes,
some will say make them kill. All of them be bad people.
yes,
Some will say make we no shoot and no just collecting thing.
yes, yes,
But your
yes.
own, you are with me. Although you are a thief by you don't know what to do.
You don't know what to put it there, but you can't embrace them.
Can't embrace and they too mean. Even sometimes I will give her money to cook. She will maybe in a weekend she will cook only rice. When I come back and ask her, you know cook soup, you will say, I don't bring money complete now. Meanwhile, this is a woman that is doing something. She sews, she have shop, she do get money. But me, I dey look and say, okay, use that your money, they like solve your family.
Solve your own
problem.
issue,
Make
yes.
you know, take your family thing so that you know go there. Although she know they tell me say she dey give her people. She never do account one day for me. For more than 5 years, I opened the shop. You understand me? So she's so wicked that, in fact, I don't even know how to qualify her. You understand? Because I'm always open-minded person, and
yes,
I am always a straightforward human being. That's why God still keeps me alive.
Exactly.
And when I do consultation, they say that my chi that brings me out, that nobody can kill me. That's why she has not been able to kill me.
Exactly.
Only the day when me with my God
decide.
Dog say he don't do. As long as say I no put hand for him.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
Because me, I be dada. You understand?
Yes.
When I was a child.
Yes.
So those kind of people, and I have some special things in my body.
Yes.
Those kind of people, then they hard for somebody to
kill.
You can be stopping them for some time, but you can't stop them.
You can't stop them for a long permanent. It's not possible.
Permanently, yeah. So the thing when they try like advice to people now.
Yes, I don't even ask you. Go on.
Make everybody ready say say you don't know your origin. Like many people will be shouting about our foreign gods. Most of them people use it to scam people.
Yes.
This is our religious thing.
Yes.
The best thing for somebody is to go back to yourself, go back to your origin. go back to your origin, where you were born. You know, now there be your root.
Yes.
If like in Igbo, asking onye malonia magolindi, that is to say that if you know your father, you have known your all these they call them Saint this one.
Yes.
Those are your great grandfathers.
Yes.
You need to know them because now them be your root, not your Igbo own.
Not your
They call Igbo, they don't know you.
Yes.
You understand? So let people, our Igbo people, let them go back to tradition. It helps. It liberates you from every bondage that is following
you. Know, life. See, plenty people, some people their own na say. When you talk tradition, they go say, na juju. But now what Igbo people don't make you believe. You say na what it be.
Because that devil want to deceive you not to know. The Igbo bring this Christianity for us, good and fine. But they use it to take what belongs to us, which some of those things is even beginning to disturb them.
Yes.
They carried all the great things that make our great-grandfathers to be great.
Not be
They carry it. Even now, it's disturbing them. Some of them, they are returning it. There are one they return in the Benin some time ago.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Doing tradition is not evil. The evil there is that some people are wicked. Even in Christendom, there are some wicked pastors that go to, like in the village, some pastors will come, they will disguise to come and collect what they are used to hold people ransom, so that people would rebel. I'm telling you reality. One of the great men that I visited recently is a great native doctor. I will be there. They will come. Great men of God, you hear their names. They will disguise and come to collect what they are using to keep people in bondage in this Nigeria. Because they know that all those names they are calling, it doesn't have effect. So people do tradition. Some people that do it, they do evil. Because people, in everything you do, some people still do evil.
Yes.
Tradition is not evil.
If not be this your tradition where you face front now, you for not know what it happen.
Say the truth. I for not know.
You for not know.
I for not know. And thank God she confessed. Not that I force her. I did not beat her. She confessed because the gods has hold her neck. They are choking her. She confessed.
May she go meet the mama. I thank God she go down there with the mama now. Because that Friday we will call her, say she dey go see the mama. Make sure and her mama make them sort themselves out. Make them two sort themselves out. In fact, I go try call her back.
Call her. Then you hear from her.
One of my brother make I leave you. Thank you too much. If any need, I go call you.
Okay.
Hi. Nah,
What the go?
Because of this way you go, yeah, fear go begin catch you.
And the thing that they feel like this.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say.
Why you? This one say now, wow. Chimo, things they happen for this world. Organ do this thing they almost everything way now last year I discovered my own which now my mama too and my papa na vegetables for her hand. Wow. Although me not they sleep around, but for dream na battle. As I don't already know now, I don't start to fight them. Every time na battle. My mom see they deny reach today. Even my siblings, she do am say they no go they use they no go they useful. Wow. So they one die last year. Now witchcraft, now marine spirit, now marine source be the power. I agree to you, my dear. I know what you they talk. Even the same way my God they talk. So now where they talk. I should be at the tell to Mbubele and Tom for here. I know everything.
Yeah, where.
Make we try call the lady. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay.
You don't do your mother place now, Abi?
Yes, sir.
I just talked to your husband finish, and I hear plenty things, my sister. Things where I hear my mouth not fit talk. My mouth not fit talk. We hear different things, and everything where you tell her, now he tell us. Both the one way.
Yes.
So and all of them are true.
Yes, sir.
So now where you don't now where you don't deal with your mother, what your mother did do to help you come out from this thing where you dey inside? So
Yesterday, my dad came, so I discussed everything to him. You understand? So my dad said he will call him and he will invite him so that we'll know the way out.
way out of the situation.
Yes, sir.
But you don't do the thing where they say make you do first of all.
What, sir?
The cleansing where you say you go carry.
No. We have not. We are still going about that. It's a process. We are in Lagos here.
Okay, you see that your mother place, you never go village.
Yes.
But now for Lagos now go do the cleansing.
I don't think.
It is well. I may not even know what I won't even talk again. All I'm going to tell you now say, I beg. I don't know now spiritual things. So I never because the things see the way it dey. My own now say anything way because you contribute 50% according to what you talk and what your husband talk. Spirit contribute 50%. What you not know, you be not know. But as you can't enter inside, you can't see say, oh now what who you be this. You can't hug the thing more. Can't they even do pass your job description for the spirit world? You understand? Now, Biko, your own now to make sure say you reduce your things where you they do.
Yes.
You reduce them. And all this sleeping with him, it affect your husband.
Not even reduce me. I've stopped it totally. I've stopped it.
You know, say now one thing for you to your flesh now they talk this one. When the people where they do the thing, when they hold you now, can because you go come out the spirit first of all now. Now spirit they control physical. Now your spirit they control your body. If you never come out the physical, the spirit. If you like to talk, say I will not. I feel drop this phone call now. One guy go cut I give you now. If you don't go corner. Not beside you understand?
You're right, yes.
So I beg.
Yes.
Everything where you feel do them. So that this anyway, it is well. Just do what you go feed do for your husband, in fact for your son and for your husband. Do what you go feed do for yourself also. So that this thing will stop. So that shame, because I imagine the number of men where you go not sleep with. I cannot feel if it even count.
I can't count it. Let me just say the fact. I can't count it.
Hi. Okay, we will talk to you soon, yeah?
All right, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Nah, my mouth no agree me talk.
My tongue they heavy me. I'm gonna do.
She's very remorseful.
She's remorseful, but see, now person when if they not cut, she talk on that day. I asked her that day, you hear me? And she talk I say, Adibi then catch you. If I stop, if I not stop.
If I don't stop now.
No, not be about to be remorseful. If this man not be strong man, where God they him back, where elders they for him back, you think say the man no good there alive. What are we talking about? And see messages where they come WhatsApp here. Plenty men they say I'm in the same thing. Which means you know how many women will be water goddesses where they walk around and men wait to say that they alive but they don't die. If you remember the question we'll ask her last week Friday. We say, Madam, now the same man you sleep with, say na different men. Going by the conversation, now be say na different men every week. Now she sleep with. Not be one man she sleep with.
At all.
Now some maybe because they are own good where they are on like the landlord he own a permanent chopping even when so person wait to the chop steady even when he get belly. Now be say at least 1 or 2 different men every week. Now be say for a week, for a year, will be 52 weeks, you dey sleep with over 100 men.
100 men. Over.
For her not to count, say she not fit count men where she don't sleep with.
Now be say if you multiply by 11 years.
Over 1,000 men now she don't sleep with. Physically.
Physically. I don't say spiritual, I they control
now
physical.
they control physical.
Now be say the spiritual supposed to reach.
Suppose them.
Because man and woman. Maybe 3,000.
You see one thing why I go tell on a men, my brothers where they hear me. Those of them where they land where they Lagos Island, where they inside the bus, where they everywhere, where they hear me, you they pursue woman. Be careful, woman, where you they follow. because you see say this my guy wife na Lord chosen type she be, no deeper life type, no powder, no makeup, no earring, no nail, nothing.
Holy witch.
Bless you.
Holy witch.
Holy witch. Meanwhile, na queen of the coast.
And again, the one where they dress, where they open up, where they slay. Now you know that call wish.
Yeah, get that. All of them are the same thing. So make you know the thing say the ones where be evil spirit, now the ones where you they see when naked up and down. It they everywhere. You know how many people the same message for here? They do not the same thing. The same thing for them. The same thing for them. Which means you know how many men will be vegetable for their house. We don't call her. You hear what she talk now?
I want correct one impression because you know say this thing are spirit things, and sometimes you guys over there you might be blaming things on the wrong person.
Okay.
I hear you say Queen of the Coast.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Queen of the Coast. That is the water
spirit.
Kingdom.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
The mommy water that owns the water.
Yes.
Is not a bad person. Now the evil spirits, the bad evil spirits, now they control some girls because mommy water on his own is a pure, natural loving woman. So when you paint her red, black, you are invoking some evil on yourself. So never use that language again.
Okay. She not be bad person. My water not be bad person. Queen of the Coast not be bad person.
No. Mommy water not be bad person.
Not be bad person.
Don't say that again.
Okay, one name. Thank you. Say you correct me.
Mommy water no be bad person.
At all.
Evil spirits where they control some girls.
So
that you know what
you know say based on waiting you talk also. Based on say this thing where you talk now. Based on waiting you talk where you talk say pastors they too will be good pastors, but most of them still get evil where they for their body.
Yes.
You understand? So I agree.
It's just like when you say God is a bad God.
Because of say one thing happened to you. Maybe now one person can don't use evil, do something.
So God, you see the owner of the water, Alana the mother,
yes,
is not evil. Don't say it again.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, one day. Thank you.
Only say that there are bad spirits that possess girls.
Thank you.
You understand?
Thank you for correcting me before I go check myself inside the gutter. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Queen of the Coast, na correct person, no, na good woman, no, not they do bad. Because you know why? If truly Queen of the Coast na really bad person. Now be say all these people they do yemoja, where they do water spirit thing, where you go see there for water, they're not gonna be there. Then go be largely evil people. But now be say now the bad spirit inside most of them, now they control them. Thank you.
I follow you. Just talk. Say it not be bad person.
No,
I know why.
No, not be bad person.
I get family.
I follow.
I get family because.
Hello, we're on the phone line. Welcome to our backyard.
Morning.
Oh, I can't do one name.
We dey hear you.
Oh, Auntie Tonya and the.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear.
Good morning.
Assume my body. Cold, don't catch me. Join Hamatan waiting.
As in.
Now, Mommy Clinton.
Mommy Clinton,
Youngest for life.
Mommy Clinton, this waiting person. This one today shocked me. I think say by Friday, say we don't hear everything. We don't know say as we talk to Oga this morning, our ear full more.
I just sit down like this. If you see as my body be, I can't say waiting be this. Hey, God. Anyway. Hey, like you say, some women when they carry Bible, they pretend. I said now they talk. I get them places for our street. So I went there. As you know they talk, I just imagine. Then they carry Bible, they deceive themselves.
They deceive. Why you think say some born again? Why you think say some people they claim born again and then wicked pass?
Hey,
why?
My brother.
Now that evil spirit, that evil energy waiting for their body. Meanwhile, they carry evil, they walk up and down.
Church is full everywhere.
Church full everywhere. Yet things where they go on.
For this thing, for Babalawo place, Zibia. Say some pastors incident there. My brother. And I makes me as I did so, Mommy Clinton so. I know they go anyhow church.
You see,
you see vision for me.
Now why?
Come I see for you.
you.
Mommy Clayton, make I tell you the truth. Make I tell you the truth. You see this my brother, You see this my brother will talk to so. Now correct human being. I go talk about CB. Nana why anybody will come near me, they talk church. I go choke you enter gutter. I go wash you down, finish.
Me, I'm not even that.
I will wash you down. Not come my front, come they talk nonsense church about walk.
No. Hi.
Thank you, Joe, my sister. You see this my brother we call. He talks some things, and I go talk something now. Make una hear me. Oyibo live where in day. He mentioned something. Say, go back to your elders. Go back to your roots. You see where you go talk, say, your forefather no be Oyibo man. Your forefather no be Saint Theophilus, Saint Catholic, Saint Nka. No, na your elders, your forefathers. Why it is say for village you go to say, may the spirit of our forefathers do this one? No, he say, Oyibo. You go you go carry your phone where you get. I go call Tombobele. I go call Tom for video, WhatsApp video message or iMessage video. She go they show me everything. Where would they talk? Oh, see my food. You see this one. Tombo go say, mama, now do see where would they relax? So see where would they relax? So we go laugh. Meanwhile, when you go meet guy wey be traditionalist, he go sit down with you, he then go bring pot, he go talk one or two things, pour salt, pour sugar, pour everything. Yeah, you go see pick video of somebody where they do what you they do. You go say na juju be that one. Why you not call the one where you they do for video call as juju? Then go say na technology. You see? Then go say na technology. Oh, you don't come make us throw away our tradition. How we take day. Make us believe say things where we they do say them be wrong thing. Carry our own gods where they do things well. Carry and go back. Go develop their own place. We see where we dey.
Oyibo they see they worship God.
Oyibo see they worship gods. Go there, go check.
Then do pass.
Now then do worse pass. But you see una go cut off say una own tradition na evil. Evil day, good day.
Everywhere in the world.
Everywhere in the world. Choose the one. See, it's all about two forces for this life we day. It's all about negative energy or positive energy. It's about good and bad. It's about up and down. It's about cold and hot. It's about two things. Choose you this day who you go follow, good or bad. Whether na traditional you dey go, you na the bad one you want go, I been na the good one you want go. Choose ye this day who you go follow. Na the bad, I been na the good. Now go direct you.